So, next antiderivative, I'm going to recognize this one as a u sub right away because I see the ln of x in the exponent, and I see an x in the denominator. And I know the derivative of ln of x is 1 over x. So I'm going to recognize this as a u sub with u being ln of x. Probably seeing a pattern. A lot of our functions involving ln of x, that's been the u for our u sub. So du equals 1 over x dx. Now if you don't see the substitution right away, let's rewrite this guy as e to the ln of x times 1 over x dx. It makes it a little more obvious because the first part, well, that's just e to the u, and here the 1 over x dx is exactly our du. So the antiderivative is e to the u du, not du, the du integrates out, e to the u plus c, and then the last step is to substitute back our ln of x, so e to the ln of x plus c. Now on this one there's a property of logs that we could have applied. E to the ln of x is just x, so this is actually just x plus c. We could have applied it back at the beginning. This is really interesting. If we had e to the ln of x is just x, we would have had the antiderivative of x over x dx, or the antiderivative of 1 dx. The antiderivative of 1 is just x, so we'd have x plus c. So a nice little quick check using properties of logs. Let's do one more. How about the antiderivative of 2/3 e to the 3 minus e up in the exponent dx. Well, that 2/3 is a constant. I'm going to ignore it for right now. I know it's going to be in my answer somewhere. Let's just focus on this part, e to the 3 minus e dx. X, oh geez, that should be an x. X to the 3 minus e. X to the 3 minus e dx. So we have 2/3. Now remember, this is a power function, so that means power rule. That means I'm going to do this. I'm going to increase my exponent by 1, e to the 3 minus e plus 1, over my new exponent, 3 minus e plus 1, plus c at the end. So I have 2/3. Adding 1 is just going to give me 4 minus e, so x to the 4 minus e over 4 minus e plus c. Not a lot we can do here simplifying wise, but we could say, okay, well this is 2x to the 4 minus e over 12, so we'll multiply the 3 across here, 12 minus 3e plus c. That's an e there.